Nick Rudder from McKee's 37 Marine and RV. All-in-one fabric and vinyl cleaner is your one-step solution for cleaning all the vinyl and fabric surfaces on your boat, from canvas boat covers, T-tops, vinyl seat cushions, and everything in between. This non-toxic formula features a pleasant citrus fragrance that, as you clean, produces a real nice scent that's going to remove unwanted odors from the material. And it's really easy to use. Simply spray it on and wipe clean using a microfiber towel. For stubborn stains, agitate with a gentle brush and then wipe off. After you clean the surface, protect it with McKee's 37 Marine and RV water-resistant vinyl protectant that'll lock in the shine and provide UV protection so the sun doesn't damage it. Nick Rudder for the McKee's 37 Marine and RV all-in-one fabric and vinyl cleaner.